it's Megan with WTI, and if you're like me and you feel like minor details in your home can make a big difference, then this Ycolnaefllr curtain rod may be just what you're looking for. This curtain rod came with all the hardware needed to install it on the wall. As my husband was installing it on the wall, he commented several times on how solid the curtain rod is and how great quality the hardware was too. This thing can handle a lot of window dressing and it is not going anywhere. It is just as beautiful as it is functional. It has really interesting looking finials with a crisscross pattern and a distressed finish. I personally love this unique touch to the curtain rod. I also adore the creamy white color, which really enhances the color of my curtains without competing with them. As I mentioned, this curtain rod is really strong. I now have 2 panels installed on it, but I quickly realized that I need 2 more panels for my window size. But I know with the strength of this curtain rod that it will not be a problem at all. Since we installed this curtain rod, I catch myself looking at it admiringly all the time. It is so beautiful and it really enhances the look of our room. And that's my point of view.